Hello guys, and it's going to be another super cool day today. We're all on our way to do a falconry experience. We watched a really cool film recently called The Eagle Huntress.
Yeah.
Really cool film, wasn't it, Tiana?
Yes, and the girl was only 13 and her name was Ashelpan.
Yes, and she was very brave in the movie. 13 years of age, a eagle hunter master. Wow.
She was so strong.
Yeah, it was a really good movie, guys. So yes, we're on the way to do the falconry experience. So it's going to be lots of fun. There's going to be lots of birds of prey there. So hopefully Tiana can feed some of the birds of prey. Yeah?
Yes, and I've done something like this before. I think I've holding a parrot.
Yeah.
And I think, have I done an owl? Or
We've done some birds of prey on our family holiday. I think it was in Greece some years back, which was very good. So we're looking forward to doing it back home in the UK. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
This is Tiana.
How you doing? All right.
Yeah.
What have you come to do today then?
And to see some of the birds.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, so we've got one about, but first of all, I must pass you a glove. How's there? Okay, this goes on your left hand. Look.
Okay.
Excellent. And then we must give you a piece of food. Okay. And hopefully, then a bird will come from nowhere. Okay. So you stand there like this. Look.
That was awesome.
Wow, she's so pretty.
Whoa.
Okay, so this goes on there, look, like last time. Banshee. Excellent.
Whoa. What type of bird is this?
The banshee is a bay-winged hawk, also known as a harris hawk. And these are the most utilised birds of prey for falconry today. Also, they're the only pack-hunting bird of prey in the world, and that means anything up to 20 of these will catch and chase their prey together.
Whoa.
Okay.
Why does the glove have to be on the left hand?
The reason we carry the hawk on the left hand, it's all to do with tradition. The hawk was carried upon the left so you could draw your sword with your right hand. Obviously, also, up until the 17th century, if you were left-handed, you were classed as a witch. Okay, so even if you were left-handed, you pretended you were right-handed.
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty. How old is she?
Banshee's 11 years old. Gosh, that's 3 years older than you.
Yeah.
I bet she's caught more rabbits than you.
I've not caught one.
There you go.
Whoa! That's cool.
That's so close to your head there, Tiana.
Yeah.
Yeah, she flies very low, yeah?
Uh-huh. But it's really good though. Chris is going to throw some food up to feed the birds.
So you're going to throw some food in the air? Is that your plan, Chris?
That's the plan. So,
Okay.
You ready? You got to be quick, okay? Catch this banshee. Catch.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Wow. What's like a chicken?
She's very fast.
Come here, banshee.
Yeah, how does she walk so fast?
Well, the reason she walks so fast is because when she's chasing, come here. When she's chasing her prey, right? Sometimes they land on the floor and run into the bushes and try to get away. So banshee can walk quite fast, so she can get after them, basically. Okay. Now, in the wild, she mostly catches like chukar, which are a type of partridge. She catches rabbits. In England, she would catch pheasants and doves and things like this. So she is a predatory bird. Okay, come here, banshee. Come here, banshee. Good girl. Banshee.
Whoa, look guys.
That was awesome.
Knocked out.
Whoa. Whoa.
So, hold that like that. That like that.
Oh, wow.
it wandered that fast.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
So how do you feel, Tiana? It's good, isn't it? Hey.
Throw forward.
Whoa. Yeah.
She's being rather lazy and just landing on the hedgerow.
Whoa! What type of a bird is this?
Well, this is Dave, and Dave here, he's a Seika falcon. And these come all, these are an Asian bird, okay? And they mostly live on birds and things like this.
Yeah. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, he's really cool. And he's mostly a bird hunter, so he's got long pointed wings. If you open his wings up, look, lift your hand higher, lift his wings. Steady, Dave.
Whoa.
Okay, if you lift your hand, that's it. See, he's got long pointed wings, and that's for catching prey in mid-air. Okay. Boom!
Oh, I can hear something. Oh! Oh, wow!
Come here.
That's so cute.
Woo! Hey! Can you tell the difference in the weight, Tiana?
Yeah, kinda.
Wow.
Wow. That is big.
Whoa!
This is a tiller,
Wow.
and the tiller here is a male golden eagle.
Wow.
Do you like him?
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. Why does it have the thing on its head?
The thing on his head, this is just a hood, and all the hood does is keeps him calm and stops him being nervous while we're travelling in the car against the trucks and other motorbikes and things like this, you see. And because you're strangers as well, it just keeps him nice and calm and stops him being nervous. Like, you would think it would make him the opposite way around, but it actually has a nice calming effect. It just keeps him, stops him being scared, that's all.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Hey?
It's actually really big.
How old is he?
And a tiller is 5 years old.
Wow.
Looks like it's got a big wingspan.
Yeah, it has got quite a big wingspan, look.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
which is about 2 meters. So he's got nearly a 2 meter wingspan. But look at those talons, look. These are the things, look. Look how big those claws are, look. They're enormous.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can you see? And this is digit number 1, and the back one is called the hallux, and this is how he kills. So he catches large prey, okay, and this in the wild they can catch anything up to the size of foxes. And
Wow.
things like this.
We've seen this one in the film.
It's exactly the same type as the one in the film, except this one is a
Seen
male
that,
as opposed to a female. This is a male one, not a, which is slightly smaller. So the one in the film that young girl trains is even larger. As in all birds of prey, the females are larger, you see.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Much larger.
I like the wingspan. Can you do the wingspan again? I just like that. Look, it's
I know.
amazing. Oh,
Wow. Wow.
that's super duper cool.
Yeah.
Hey, big, that Tiana is big. It's like from the movie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is he heavy?
He is heavy.
Yeah, you better off resting.
It's big.
Yeah. He's beautiful.
Tiana's got the hiccups, guys. I bet you've noticed that already.
So pretty, isn't it? He looks really fluffy as well.
So what did you say the name was again?
His name is a tiller, and he's a male golden eagle. He's a native to Great Britain, and sadly, we've got non-breeding left in England anymore.
No.
Only in Scotland.
Oh.
Okay, so, but we do have the largest, highest density of golden eagles in Europe.
Okay.
So, and there's roughly now, we think somewhere in the region of 600 pairs breeding in England. He knows it. He knows it's not me.
Wow.
Okay.
Amazing.
In my hand.
Stick it in your hand. Look.
It
The claws.
It's very, very
Locked on Mum's hand. Wow. It's like that big claw then.
So Daddy's holding it now.
Yes, I am.
He's trying to preen.
Hello.
I don't know if it can. I don't think it can see you though, Dad.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. It's just huge. It's so heavy.
Heavy.
Heavy. It's
Why
like
do
I've
they
been.
have bells on the
Yeah.
feet?
The reason he's got bells on, the reason he's wearing bells, obviously, you know, they can be quite quiet when they're flying.
Yeah.
So the bell is just so we know where he's going.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
it's like I've been at the gym, guys.
Work out.
Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah. Whoa!
It's got a serious grip on my hand there.
Yeah, that's
Amazing.
how. Well, that's how he kills his prey.
Yeah, I can just imagine that.
And
So
it's-
strong.
It's very, very fast. Yeah.
I've had an awesome time seeing all of these birds. It's been lots of fun, hasn't it?
It has.
Yeah, it's been a really
cool.
good experience. Thank you very much, Chris.
You're welcome.
Exciting time.
I got two favourites.
Okay.
That one and then the one before it.
Okay. Is that your favourite ones then? Yeah. Well, this one's from the film, so this one's my favourite. This one's been amazing. It's big. It's really heavy. It's like I've been at the gym. Had a workout, which I need because I've been to the gym for a while.
Say goodbye to the.
So bye bye.
Oh, brilliant.
That
Wow.
looks like it's waving its wings.
So yeah.
Yeah, that's all for today. I enjoyed today's vlog. I'll see you guys soon.
Bye. Thank you.
Stay fantastic.
Yes, guys. Stay fantastic.